my holding plank for 3 to 4 minutes. I have a timer. Let's see how long I can go for it. Let's do it. I know. I was never a strong person. I never felt any desire to do plank till I met yoga, till I met the opportunity to challenge my old limiting beliefs. It is something that I've been growing into strength for the past years. Yoga is really amazing. You know that. I don't need to preach it to you. So let's see how I'm doing. Really, really tough so far, but doable. My arms are strong and solid. My legs are strong and solid. I am squeezing my glutes round up in my back. And I'm going to go back and forth a little bit. The whole entire body is getting a jolt of energy. Oh yeah, my friend. So I go retract, protract, retract, protract a couple of times. Deep breath in, deep breath out. I know this is a wonderful day. The sun is peeking outside. And I really want to be free from the places in me that doubt myself. Places in me that are creating suffering because there is a full potential that I want to step into. And I am worthy. And you are worthy. So I am getting really, really intense here. Let's do a side plank to see if that helps to release. So squeezing my obliques, I lift my arm up. 3 breaths in, inhale. Exhale. One more. One more. Bring it down. 3 pulses. Woohoo! I'm getting there, friends. I'm almost there. Coming back to the opposite side. Squeeze the obliques. Look into my fingertips. Lift my hand up to the ceiling. Oh yeah. 4, 3, and 2, 1. Come back into plank. And pause. And pause. Pause more. Ooh. Lift one foot off the ground. And bring it down. Lift the other one off the ground. And bring it down. And pause. And pause. Keep squeezing the glutes. Keep pressing the inner thighs towards each other. And engage in the core. Ooh. 4, 4. And 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in. Inhale. Deep breath out. And then I am going to consider I am done. Woohoo! Knees on the ground. Shake my. I love you, Megan. I love you, whoever watching me. You are worthy. This was my 3rd day. I'll see you tomorrow on my 21 days of plank. Bye for now.